hacks, some things that I find help your listing perform better, help you get more leads or retain more of your clients from reaching out to other agents on Zillow. So depending on the market that you're in, your Zillow might look a little bit different. Here in the Phoenix metro area, specifically here in Gilbert, if you click on any listing, it is going to show the listing agent's information right down here, but that's not always the case in a lot of different markets. But for most people, they don't know how Zillow works. And so as you know, the common client will log in, they say, I like this home, and they're going to hit contact agent because they want to see this home. So when they do that, it's not actually going to take them down to the listing agent. It's just going to sell them off to a Zillow Premier agent. So what we want to do is we actually want to edit the information in Zillow so that we show up. A lot of people didn't know this, but you can actually edit your listing after it's been syndicated with Zillow through the MLS. So if you hover over Agent Hub and you come over to listings, once you're in here, you're actually going to click on edit your listing. And what you want to do in here is you actually want to come into the description and you want to add your information. So for more information or to schedule a private showing. So I still have all the other information that, was here. But what I'm doing is I'm also adding my information in hopes that they're going to reach out to me instead of just clicking that button directly to see my listing. So that's one of the ways that you can help your listing perform better online and retain more. So if I click on this home and we look at the public view, you're going to see right up top right here where this home is. And of course it has my information down here, but like I said, most of the time people don't know that. And this is going to call me directly through my Zillow profile. This is going to call me directly through a Zillow phone number that I have saved that broadcasts to everybody on my team. So the other hack that I want to share with you is one that I actually got from my friend Kyle Whistle. He has a Facebook group called The Whistle Way. Make sure you check out his page because he's always giving really great information. But have you ever had a client that is constantly using Zillow to send you homes, right? We want to get them off Zillow, but they love Zillow and they're always on Zillow looking for homes. So one of the things that I learned from him is that you can send them a friend request. So if you hover over your Agent Hub and you click on your profile and you actually click into your profile. So this is my team's profile, but I'm going to click into an agent. Right here it says work together on Zillow, add as your agent. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to copy this URL, zillow.com/profile/Christy Jenks, and you would want to send this over. And the script that we're using to send this over is a pretty simple script. We're just saying, in order to give you concierge level service, I picked this up from another team leader. In order to give you concierge level service, we'd love to friend request you on Facebook. So then we're going to send them this link. Everybody knows what a friend request is. And so it makes a lot of sense for you to use that kind of language. And essentially what they're doing is when they add you as their agent, all of the homes that they look at on Zillow, you're going to be the agent that shows, not the listing agent, not another random agent. You will be the listing agent that shows. And that's really, really powerful. You will be able to give them concierge level service because you'll be able to see all the homes they're looking at. They can schedule directly through you. They can favorite and communicate with you, ask you questions through the Zillow app. So those are two of the things that I recommend that you do to, one, retain more clients, and two, to make sure that you're getting more out of your listings. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is how do you get your listings to show up higher on the natural selection of Zillow is you want to mess with their algorithm a little bit. And what we do with that is we make sure that we add a 3D home tour and a video tour. Now, both of these are done through the Zillow app. So you're going to want to make sure that you have the Zillow 3D home tour app, and also the Zillow video walkthrough app. And this one can be accessed through your Zillow Premier app. But by doing a couple things: one, have more than 25 photos in your listing; two, use the 3D home, make sure it's available in your area; three, use their software. Again, you probably have way better videos, but it doesn't matter. We're just hacking the system. And then, of course, if you have more content, that's what you're doing. So have a nice, robust listing description, have more than 25 photos, make sure you're utilizing those video and 3D tour apps. Your listing, when people are searching for homes on Zillow, your listing will rank higher through natural selection. So hope you found these tips helpful. Make sure that you connect with us on our YouTube channel for more helpful tips, and have a great day.